Hello everyone. So you like Magic the Gathering Arena and you would like to play this blue deck better. Now, this blue deck is the type of deck in the game. So the blue decks in the game of Magic are generally very strategic. You want to play the key cards, key instants in the right moment, like this one, and you want to draw lots of cards. This allows you to control the game much better than any other archetype, arguably. The blue type and this type of deck also is the type of deck that, compared to the other basic decks, allows you to draw cards the most and has the most flying creatures. So what you want to do with this deck is generally to draw lots of cards, control the game better, using, for example, this one, which taps the creatures an opponent controls, or returning a creature in the land of its owner, and attack with lots of flying creatures. So maybe the opponent has lots of cards, but you have ways of blocking it, ways of returning the cards to the end, and you keep drawing cards. You keep drawing cards and making damage with flying, and maybe not in a few turns, but over the course of the game, this strategy might allow you to win the game. It's not a quick deck, it's a strategic deck, and slowly but steadily, with flying and controlling the game and having a few maybe big flying creature, you will win a game. It is a hard deck to play at the beginning. I suggest you to try the other ones in particular, but this is also a good introduction to the archetype of the blue decks in the game. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.